All right, I got those wires soldered back on to the head. That little tiny pink wire, the little tiny white wire is connected back onto that head. So, I'm amazing even myself right about now, y'all. I guess it's a little too late to take the soldering gun back and all that stuff, right? Just saying. So, now I get to put this deck back together and put a tape in it and see if it actually plays on both channels. So, I gotta tell you, that's pretty scary, sticking an 850 degree soldering iron in there on them little tiny posts. They heat up real fast, but they're stuck and the wires are all tucked away. So, you know, time to reassemble this bad boy and see if it's playing on both channels. That's what I'm hoping. Well, like a dumbass, I took the fucking rubber belts out of it yesterday because I didn't think I was going to be soldering anything today. So now I got to put the belts back in it before I can test it. That's funny. Okay, great news. It is playing on both channels. Okay. I have to do the speed tests and all that. For some reason, this meter is not functioning. I do not know why. But right now, I don't give a fuck. Okay? Because the soldering work that I've done in here is working. So it's playing on both channels. So, like I said, I might just have to buy a new meter on the internet and then solder it in there. But, damn good day today. Got this thing playing in stereo again. And all it cost was less than 50 bucks for a soldering gun, some flux, some solder, and a little patience. Party on.